Good morning. Good morning. Did you stay? Did you have to have? Yes, very good. So what is the weekend we do there? So we do have break in good service. We figure we do this and we on time. Yes, this service is interesting meeting. Fantastic. Please let me know where this will be delivered. Yes, sir. The sir minimum margin. Oh, wow. Oh, no. It is. Let's see, is 47.50? Yes, I will pay this with my visa. Sure, you can leave the bag with the form. Oh, thank you. Thanks, thanks, I did. Hotel that good. Thank you for staying at the Grand Woodward Hotel. Thank you. Very well.